Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by getting both devices ready. Sign into the same Netflix account on your phone and on the laptop, and connect both to the same Wi-Fi network. Once done, make sure your phone has local network permission and Bluetooth active so device discovery works. Open Netflix on your phone and on the laptop's browser or app. These steps let your phone detect the laptop. Without the same network and account, casting won't initiate, so verify those settings first. With both devices ready, open Netflix on your phone and pick the show or movie you want. Tap the cast icon in the player controls. The app searches for available receivers. Select the laptop when it appears. On the laptop, accept any incoming connection prompt or enable notifications if prompted so playback can start. If the laptop doesn't appear, toggle Wi-Fi or Bluetooth on the phone once, then retry. This step hands playback control to your... Once casting, use your phone to play, pause, seek, and adjust volume while the laptop streams video. To end casting, tap the cast icon again and disconnect. If the cast icon never appears, close and reopen Netflix, restart both devices, or try casting from a browser tab on the laptop instead. Make sure the laptop firewall or antivirus isn't blocking local network discovery. Temporarily disable or permit Netflix/networking. As a last resort, try USB tethering or a different Wi-Fi network to isolate connectivity issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.